Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Banner 9100 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. First, you wanna go to search and type in turn Windows features on and off. You wanna open it. It will open this window and you wanna make sure to disable Hyper-V. Next thing you wanna disable is Windows Sandbox. And the last thing is virtual machine platform. You want to disable it if it's enabled. And once you've done that, you want to click OK, close that out. The next thing you want to do is right click on Windows button, click on Terminal Admin. It will open a prompt. And once the PowerShell opens, you want to type in bcd edit space / set hypervisor launch. Messed it up. Hypervisor launch type space off, and then click enter, and it will say the operation completed successfully. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to search, right click on command prompt, run it as an administrator, and type in sc space delete space vgk, enter, and it will say success, and then type in sc space delete space vgc, press enter, and it will say success. And you want to exit this out. Once you have done that, you want to right click on Windows button, click settings, go to installed apps, and in here find Valorant Vanguard, and simply click on install. This will remove all the bugs and like improper installation of the Valorant Vanguard, and then you can, once it's done, you can simply close this out. And once you've done that, you want to reopen Valorant client, and in here click on League of Legends and click update, and it will install Valorant Vanguard. And now it says your game requires a restart to play, but before you do that, you want to close this out, go to search, type in run, type in this services.msc, click OK. And in here, press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Open it, double click on it, and it says here manual. You want to switch it to automatic. Click apply, click start. If this doesn't start at first, you want to try a few times till it like starts, and then click OK. Close this out, and before you restart your PC, you want to do this. Type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, then tick it again, click apply. OK, and it will now ask you to restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, your League of Legends should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Banner 9100 in League of Legends. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.